Welcome to the channel. Here we have a Ferguson TED with a head gasket problem. If you've seen my previous videos, the one about the milky oil, and in this video we're going to prep the head and prep the block ready to mount the gasket. Okay, now I've cleaned the top of the head off, I'm just going to rub. This is some fine 120 emery paper. I'm just going to give a quick rub down, take any, see how clean that's coming up. Quick rub down, and that'll take any of the rough bits around these edges off. They've been sat over the years, and corrosion's built up. Yeah, we get this head nice and not cleaned down, as it is. Without taking too much of the metal off, we're just cleaning the top really, preparing the mate and face, if you like. Alright, I'm going to carry on with this. I'll come back to you when I've done that, because I'm sure you've seen me watch this all the time. And you see it when there it is before. Okay, let me see it after. Right, there's the head all clean, as you can see. That is nice and smooth there. I know you can see some marks on it, but that is nice and smooth. And the pistons been cleaned as well, as you can see. It's all clean in there. Right, next job we'll do the head. That's ready to go. Let's get the head done. Right, there's my new kit. I've got to take these valves off. Now, I've never used it before. There we are. Never used this before. Hopefully that goes like so. And then all you do, can I do that without head gas? No, I probably can't, can I? I might have to take the exhaust off. I think I might have to take the exhaust off. Let me take the exhaust off. Then I'll probably get to the, yeah, I've got to take the exhaust off. Okay, get that exhaust off. I'll get to that. Look. So there she is. Right, she's on that. Let's tighten her up a little bit. See what it does. What it does is compress the spring. Be a lot of work actually. Like so, and that's released it. And then you just down a little bit more. You've got to take those little collets out. And they should just come out. And that's all you need. A magnetic screwdriver. Oh, that's it. Let's have a look. One, and there's two. Tight that one. A little bit tight. There you go. They're little collets. They're like little wedges, aren't they? Get down like so. We'll release that off. Should be able to take that off then. There you go. There you go. Sits like that. The collets on it. And then your valve should then, hopefully, just tap out. Like so. Tapping the stick. gently tap there, give it a little gentle tap. And there she is. There it is. I think what I do, I lay them out like that, in order, clean the head up, and then put them back in. What I do. Right, let me just carry on and take the rest out, and then I should be back with you. Right, as you can see, there's a bit of pit in there, so I found to flatten that down a bit, and there, so that's where it's been leaking into that piston there. So it's bubbled up. So that's flattened down. What I'll do, I'll put some gasket sealant on that as I do it, and then be able to do that. Next job would be to reseat these valves. Now I have cleaned these, obviously, best I can. I'm going to reseat those valves in there, but crap in there still. Reseat those valves in there the best I can with my valve tool. Just get that set up and I'll be back with you. Right, here's my valve grinding kit, which I'm going to now grind these valves into there. So we'll go see how we get on. Hear the sound change, it's better. And that's all it is. And as you can see, like so, it's clean a nice little piece in there. We'll put some fine stuff on there. Just do some fine, finish up with a fine. You see the marking around there? We'll just do a fine, clean, and that's it. Nice for that. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one.